Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for today's webinar. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at an exciting new feature that's coming soon for Cloud POS, two-way SMS. SMS is a really efficient way to communicate with customers. They're quick to send and usually get through to the customer faster than an email. Getting phone calls and emails from customers interrupts work and they take time to deal with. SMS also has a higher read rate and a faster response rate than emailing customers, so that means that queries can be turned around faster and orders and workshop jobs can be turned into cash that much faster because the job can be completed sooner. If you use SMS as the primary way that you contact customers, it keeps everything all in one place, so it's easy to find, which improves staff productivity. Once customers have adapted to being able to send you messages as well as receive them, you'll see a reduction in phone calls. That also means typing less notes into POS, and that's less time spent on admin because it's all in Cloud POS, so staff can be more productive. Initially, this will be in the point of sale, where it's really easy to see when you've got new messages and it's quick to reply. In the future, we'll be adding this to the workshop module to make it even easier for mechanics to message customers about service jobs, and we're also planning to add this to the back office in a future update. We're going to have a preview of the new functionality in this webinar, looking at three key areas. Firstly, we've added a notifications button to the point of sale to indicate when you've got new unread messages from one of your customers. Secondly, we've added a quick SMS button so you can easily type out a message to a customer from the point of sale screen, whether that's the start of a new conversation or a response to a message that they've sent to you. Finally, we'll take a look at where you can view your full SMS correspondence with your customers from their customer record in the back office. Let's begin with notifications. This is the new notification button that's been added to the point of sale. If you have any unread messages from your customers, you'll see this button on the screen. There is a number overlay to indicate the total number of unread messages across all customer records. You can click on the button to view those unread messages, which will open the panel to the side. And this is what that looks like. Here we have two unread messages in total, one from a customer called Nell Jones and one from John Adams. The date and time on the right-hand side tells us when that SMS was received. From here, you can click on a message to open it. When you click to open a message, that customer is also set in the point of sale, so you'll see more of their information in the background. Let's take a further look at what one of those conversations looks like. So here's some example correspondence. The workshop team has reached out to John to explain that they need to discuss his bike, but they haven't been able to reach him. Remember, you can set up templates for both SMS and email correspondence in Cloud POS to make contacting customers that bit faster, especially for more standardised messages like this that you send out quite a lot. With the new two-way SMS functionality, John's response can also be viewed. So he can just pop a message straight back from his phone to you, and we can see this on the screen in our example, so he's let us know when he'll call when he can. We're also introducing status indicators with this new functionality. The messages that you send to your customers will first have a sent status, which will then change to delivered once the text has been delivered to your customer's mobile phone. That is what we can see on the outgoing message example on the screen. On incoming messages, their status will initially be unread. When a message is unread, the text of the message shows in bold, as you can see on the screen there in John's reply. To mark a message as read, simply click on the body of the message itself. This then removes the bold styling, changes the status, and this is what we can see on the screen here. If you want to mark the message as unread again, for example, if it needs the attention of a colleague, simply click once again on the text, like so. From the message panel, you can also type a reply. Just hit the symbol on the bottom right to send. Once a message is marked as read, that also decreases the overall total of unread messages shown on the notifications button. If you've got no unread messages from any customer, the notification button is hidden from the point of sale screen entirely, like this. We're now going to look at the next part of the two-way SMS functionality, the new quick SMS button. This button has been added to enable you to send a new SMS quickly and easily from the point of sale. It's been placed along the bottom of the customer information panel, which you see as soon as they've been set as the customer. So let's take a look at that in situ. Here we can see a wider view of the point of sale screen. The new Quick SMS button is the second in from the left-hand side. Click on the Quick SMS button to open up the message panel on the right-hand side of the screen, and it will take you straight to your messages with that specific customer. The final part of the new two-way SMS functionality that we're going to look at is the visibility of all the customer correspondence in the Cloud POS back office. You can view both sent and received messages from the Messages and Communications tab in the customer's record. This allows quick access to full correspondence without needing to log into the point of sale. That might be particularly handy for your mechanics, who may not work as much in the point of sale day to day. The first step will be to find the relevant customer record. Once this has been opened, look for the Messages and Communications tab. This tab shows a table of all sent and received messages, emails and SMS. You can use the arrows on the left-hand side to expand the table to view the body of the messages. Here we're looking at the messages sent to John Adams and his response. That brings us to the end of our review of the new two-way SMS functionality in Cloud POS. First, we looked at the new notifications button and how we can click on that button to open a panel of all the unread messages from all customers. We also looked at how to read those messages and change their status from unread to read and back again. Next, we located the new Quick SMS button. This can be used to open the messaging panel for a particular customer in the point of sale. Finally, we open the Messaging and Communications tab of a customer record to see how you can easily review all the SMS correspondence with your customers from the Cloud POS back office. We'll be uploading this webinar to the CitrusLime YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe for access to more feature and product update videos as they land. You'll also find lots of how-to videos to support you in your use of the Cloud POS platform. Next, we'll be launching the two-way SMS very soon, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once it's available, we'll let you know, and then you'll be able to reach out to the support team to say you'd like to get started, and we'll take care of the technical setup for you. For now, you can check out the how-to article by scanning this QR code. And remember, you can find lots of other articles to support you with your use of the Cloud POS platform on our knowledge base. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next one.